Have you ever heard of a light year? It sounds like a really long time, right? Well, it is, but it's also a distance. A light year is how far light travels in 1 year. And believe me, light is a speed demon. We use light years to measure the mind-boggling distances between stars and galaxies. Imagine trying to measure the distance from Earth to the nearest star in miles. It would be like trying to measure the circumference of the Earth with a toothpick. Light years make things a bit easier. Think of it like this. When you look at a star, you're seeing light that has traveled for years, even centuries, to reach your eyes. That means you're looking back in time. Pretty cool, huh? Light travels at a whopping 186,000 miles per second. That's like going around the Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. At that speed, you could travel to the moon and back in about 2.5 seconds. Talk about a quick trip. Now imagine light traveling for an entire year. That's a light year, and it's a distance of almost 6 trillion miles. To put that in perspective, if you could drive your car at the speed of light, you could drive to the sun in about 8 minutes. Of course, you'd need a really good air conditioner. But even at the speed of light, traveling to other stars would take a really long time. The nearest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light-years away. That means it would take over 4 years to get there, even if we were traveling at the speed of light. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a giant spiral of stars, gas, and dust. It's so big that it takes light about 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. That's like taking a road trip that lasts for the entire history of human civilization. And the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Some of these galaxies are even bigger than our own. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, is about 2.5 million light-years away. It's so big and bright that you can actually see it with the naked eye on a clear night. So the next time you're looking up at the stars, remember that you're looking at objects that are incredibly far away, and the light you're seeing has traveled for an incredibly long time to reach your eyes. It's enough to make your head spin. But here's the really exciting part. Many of those distant stars have their own planets orbiting them, just like our sun. We call these planets exoplanets, and astronomers have already discovered thousands of them. Some of these exoplanets are rocky, like Earth, and some are gas giants, like Jupiter. Some are even located in the habitable zone around their stars, where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, there could be life. So, while we haven't found any evidence of alien life yet, the possibilities are out there just waiting to be discovered. It's a big universe, and we're just getting started exploring it.